USS Batfish now resides in Muskogee, Oklahoma and was a submarine in World War II, known primarily for the remarkable feat of sinking 3 Imperial Japanese Navy submarines in a 76-hour period. USS Batfish's war operations spanned a period from December 11, 1943, to August 26, 1945, during which she completed 7 war patrols. She is credited with having sunk 9 Japanese ships. The Muskogee City County Trust Port Authority donated 5 acres of prime waterfront real estate for the submarine's berth and a memorial park. Opening to the public on Memorial Day 1973, the USS Batfish and exhibits at War Memorial Park have honored World War II submarine veterans of Oklahoma and the nation. At the end of the 20th century, the Batfish was one of 20 World War II submarines on public display around the United States.